Hello students, today I am going to discuss some common mistakes I have observed the students are making while giving PPT presentation. I have observed that students are not giving due time in preparing the slides for presentation very well. Many students they do not know how to make PPT presentations. They must learn how to make good slides and too many lines are being put on one slide. If we have lot of material in one slide, then it is difficult to present and it is difficult for the audience to understand. So decide the appropriate number of lines or the appropriate material in one slide. Then lack of rehearsal is again a problem. The students are not giving due time in preparing for presentation. For the beginners who have not sufficient experience in giving presentation, they must do a number of rehearsals so that they are improving, they gain confidence and they give good presentation. Because the students are not well prepared, so most of the time they are reading the slides, and only the reading slide is not a good way of giving presentation. And because they are not prepared, they are reading slides, so it is not possible for them to make eye contact with the audience, which is very must for presentation and communication. And as they are reading the slides, so they have their face or eyes on the slides, not towards the audience. So their backside comes towards the audience. That is highly inappropriate. That is actually your body language is not suitable for the presentation like this. Then I have observed that students are trying to translate in Hindi also. Means if they are giving their presentation in English, then they are translating these lines into Hindi. It is not desirable because it shows that as if the audience is not aware of that particular language in which the presentation is being given. So you should stick to one particular language in English or in Hindi. Generally in professional courses, it is desirable that you give your presentation in English. So do not translate in Hindi. You can add further explanation. Next point I have observed is that the students are not having latest contents on their slides. It is desirable in professional courses that you put some latest content. Then not having own analysis, not only have the latest content but have your own analysis on that content also, so that it shows your managerial application. Then a student should be prepared for the questions also. These questions can be asked by judges or it can be asked by the audience, so you should be prepared that what kind of questions can be asked if you are giving the particular presentation and what can be your probable answer for that. Such kind of preparation and mental makeup has to be done. Then next is you have to read or speak at a suitable pace. It should not be very fast, should not be very loud. It should be like storytelling, so that you are making the eye contact with the audience and you are having face to face contact. Then you are trying to have some non-verbal communication at the same time also. So a proper contact has to be made with the audience. Then it has been observed that students are not able to explain their slides content properly. If they have their own analysis and preparation, then it will be possible. And some students they are not able to justify the points also. It is important that what you have written, what you are proposing, suggesting, what is the logic behind that, what is the justification behind that, that has to be given by the students. And students, if they are mentioning the data somewhere on the slide, that it is necessary that you mention the source of the data also. And the students are using photos and videos also, and be careful that these photos and videos are not under copyright. Use such photo video data which is away from the copyright. These were some common mistakes which I have observed, and I hope that you will like this video and you will like the content of this video very useful. If it is so, then please forward this video to the other students also so that they are benefited. And please subscribe and do write some comment on this video that what kind of benefit you are getting, and any other point which you want to highlight you can write into the comment box. Thank you so much.